Hello, I am a frog on a quest to find the last living Angry Bird. First up, I'll make a postcard for my best friend. Maybe a few more. And some more. Okay, now that that is done, we can continue our journey. Wait. You know, before we do that, let's draw. I never knew I could draw this good. No. Oh, this can't happen to me. So anyways, now go find the Angry Bird.
Dun, dun, dun.
Let's hop in these magical portals. Whee! Magical fun, Play-Doh. There's been a mistake with the plane. A major mistake. You don't know who I am. I am your worst nightmare. You will never see the last of me, I think. But anyway. No. Yes. No. Ow. I think we had enough of frogs. You okay down there?
Yes, my head hurt.
Okay, that's.
I broke my hopper.
Gosh, girl. Yeah, she's kind of. Ooh, feast your eyes. You will never defeat my evil twin now. Which one's the real one? Huh? Figure it out and defeat him. Ha ha ha. We're your worst nightmares.
There's too many. I'm so scared. It's like I have two butts.
My evil twin got scared and ran away. So I will now do what I do best. Eat chicken? What? That does sound good right now. But no!
Scratch a beaver?
Scratch a beaver?
A bee.
What?
Scratch a bee. You look so...
Something's happening to the camera.
You look so hairy.
Oh my gosh.
Why are you so hairy?
Okay, we'll see you next time.
Why are you so hairy?
We'll see you next time on the Angry and Froggy Show.